Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. So here's an overview of all of the items that I'll be using to decorate today. I may not use all of these, but I will use most. So as you can see, my theme is mostly red, whites, and greens. I wanted to do a very Merry Christmas theme with Santa, very vintage. Majority of this stuff came from Hobby Lobby and Target. Taking you in a little bit closer, I have some Santa mugs, tea towels, some signs, wreaths, stockings, garland. I have all my trees there from Hobby Lobby. Some throw pillows. The wreath from Target. My vintage Santas from Kirkland's, just a bunch of fun goodies. So let's go ahead and get started. Today's video is really exciting. We're going to be decorating our kitchen for Christmas. We're going to be decking it out, making it all festive for the holidays. Quick disclaimer, if you hear a baby in the background, that's my 3-month-old. She's talking so much right now. Also my 4-year-old, because she has the wiggles and she just cannot sit down for anything right now. But anyway, I will be doing a bit of cleaning throughout this video, not too much because I've pretty much already cleaned the kitchen. I've wiped down the surfaces, swept, and mopped, so everything is good and ready to go. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tanisha. I probably should have mentioned that in the beginning of this video, but hello. I usually try to post every Friday. I do strive for Wednesdays as well, but Wednesdays don't always work out for me. I have a lot of content that I would love to share with you guys over the next couple of months, so if you aren't subscribed already, please consider doing so to help support my channel. But enough talking for now, let's get to decorating.
Presents, as long as I spend this day with you, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans, what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Let us gather round, for it's Christmas time. A merry sound and the stars alight. Let us all rejoice when it's Christmas time. And
So that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments if you guys would like to see a full home tour of our holiday decor. I would love to bring that to you guys. I'm absolutely in love with our kitchen right now. It's so warm and cozy. I could literally cook in there all day long. Do you guys hear Holland? Anyways, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.